Alright, brand new product for 2023 from OSRAM Germany. This is their new LEDriving headlight bright. And this is their newest LED that you can put in their headlights, or LED bulb conversion, whatever you want to call it. This one is for the HB4 or HIR2, and for North America that will be 9006 or 9012. So these ones claim to be 300% brighter than their normal halogen bulb. Let's see what else the box has on here. The usual 6000K color. Got a QR code you could scan here to get more information. But no mention of any CAN bus modules on the box, but let's open it up and take a look. Pretty nice packaging. Probably the nicest I've seen from OSRAM. Okay, let's take one of these bulbs out. And here is the bulb. They went back to a fan style on this one, kind of like the LED XTR ones. I think just because if it's going to be that much brighter, it'll get that much hotter, so they need a active cooling fan on it. Let's see. As usual, always nice quality from OSRAM. Markings on the side here. And just one connector. Still no mention of any CAN bus modules on it, but take a look. Having the rest of the box. In here, looks like you get this little thing as well. Probably has instructions, zip ties, some more O-rings for the seals, and a little Allen key. Oh, I wonder if these ones are adjustable. Oh. Yeah, awesome. I didn't realize, but they are adjustable, so you can move the, you should be able to move this top around. Here, let's do that right now. Put your Allen key in here. Loosen the set screw. And yeah, there you go. You can move this around to help align the beam inside your headlight. Awesome. Definitely gonna play around with that. Some instructions, let's see if they mention any CAN bus stuff in here. No, it just shows you how to install the different types of bulbs. Okay. And they even give you a kind of a little instruction here how they want the bulb to face when it's sitting inside the headlight. Looks like they want it to be vertical. Should be, after installation, the light chip should be left and right symmetry. If light distribution is wrong, please rotate the light body. Oh, that's cool. They even tell you exactly how they want them. But that's okay. I'm going to install them and test them out. Obviously do a LUX meter reading and go for a ride and see how they project on the road. Okay, although these say they fit 9006 headlights as well, I was having a hard time getting it to fit into my headlight. So I take off the bracket. This is the holder that the bulb goes into and spins. You can see mine says 9006, and the dust cover here. And what I'm gonna have to do is actually put this over top like this, on top of the bulb first, and install it, and then put the screws in. So I'm gonna do that, then I'll just show you how it sits. I test fit it a little bit too, and I had to rotate the base here a little bit to get the bulb to line up 90 degrees. Okay, got the headlight out. Now I'm gonna play around with this here. See if I can get the LED bulb to fit in there. Okay, got the LED bulb in. So what I had to do was take this off, put the bulb in first. Or actually I didn't take it all the way off, I just loosened these, pull it back a bit, then put the bulb in and twisted it, and then tighten it back on. But she's in there, it's nice and sealed, so now let's do the other side. Perfect. Can't hear the fans, they're silent. Awesome. The OSRAM logo. Cool. I can't wait to test these at night, but a little bit difficult to install these on, like I said, if you're doing like a 9006 vehicle, because these are meant for it says you could do 9012 or 9006, but obviously you see you need a little bit of modification. But hopefully this helps you guys if you want to try it out yourself. So as you can tell from that LUX test, pretty disappointing that it's not as bright as the previous generation OSRAM. I know there's one step above this light, because this is the LED bright, and there's an extreme or intense one. But yeah, the beam pattern looks pretty good. But one thing I wanted to show you is that they do have a flickering problem if you have a CAN bus equipped car. So I have it in park now, so the lights are on. I'm going to turn the lights off, and you can just see they're still getting power and they're flickering quite a bit. And then if I put it into drive, so the daytime running lights come on, you can see that the low beams or the LED lights are on and still flickering. So I guess you'll need to find some kind of CAN bus module to put in, even though these should work, or you shouldn't need a CAN bus module for them, especially for the price and how new these are. But yeah, not the greatest product from OSRAM, not what I was expecting, so hopefully they fix these issues with the next ones. And as always, thanks for watching.